happy.
Oh.
Got his happy coat on today.
The dog walker.
Yeah.
You see the same chap going down the canal every morning with his dog. And it's absolutely chucking it down.
Yeah.
We've had a barge parked opposite us all night. He went at 9:30 this morning.
Yeah.
All wrapped up in the wet gear. It must be, imagine hiring a barge for a week and it rains every day. Oh. And the forecast here is rain every day this week. I thought about going to this, forgotten the name of the place again.
You haven't mentioned it to me, so I don't know.
Oops.
Oh, sorry.
Get you on the camera, Pat.
Oh, I'm in. Oh, my hair's ready for a cut.
Again, oh, she's always having a haircut, isn't she?
Somewhere where you thought you might go?
Yeah, this pub.
Oh, between Wetherby and somewhere else, you said.
Yeah.
Pub.
Between Harrogate and Wetherby.
Oh, Harrogate.
So I don't know whether they called it a Scots Arms something. I've written it down.
Right. What you were thinking of going there for night tonight?
Yeah. But I'm not going in this.
What's it going to do tomorrow?
Rain. Friday, rain. Saturday, rain.
Oh, right.
That's what it says.
That's what it says.
Yeah.
It's been correct so far.
I went down, we finally got our fridge shelf retainers. I ordered them in June, finally arrived yesterday. So I took it down and fitted it, I'll show you. Well, that's the last one. I've just got it delivered today. I've had, so the brake to these. So I've just got them all on now, all three of them. So that's that last job done. Should be all right now, I think. Yeah, hopefully. And I have got one spare. I ordered two, so I've got a spare in there as well. There, fitted them. So we've now got shelf retainers on all three shelves and a spare.
Yeah. And they came in the most massive box you could imagine. It were about this.
I don't think they could see.
Yeah, it was.
It was a really big, massive box. They were just rattling around inside it.
Yeah, just these two little plastic things.
Yeah.
Weird.
It was.
I mean, they weren't even packed, were they? They just were in there.
I know.
Don't know what fella thought.
When we were out with Pam and Andrew, Pam's son, Andrew told me about an app that he uses on his phone called F1 Clash. I downloaded it. I've been working on that.
You've been playing it?
Yeah.
Card game?
Yeah. No, it's not a car game, yeah.
A car?
F1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you used to have it, didn't you, on your...
I used to have a steering wheel and pedals for F1.
Yeah.
When I had Xbox 360.
But every year they changed the...
Yeah. So you couldn't get the upgrade apps because they changed it to 1, was it, or something? Xbox 1, was it, or something?
They changed it a couple of times, didn't they?
Yeah, so I couldn't get...
Cost you a fortune.
Yeah. So
you needed to change the box or something to get the new games.
Yeah, yeah.
Just a way of them making money,
More
innit?
money, more money.
I mean...
So I packed it in.
You got pretty good on it, didn't you? You came first.
I won championship once. Yeah.
You did? Well, that fast.
I don't know how, but...
I don't know how you do it if you do it now.
No.
And your reactions as quick.
No, probably not.
No, maybe. Well, I were very lazy yesterday. I hardly did out, apart from a bit of ironing and washing.
Oh.
That were it.
Oh, good.
Sort of early. And Tracy managed to get home a bit early, didn't she?
Yeah, she did. And I can't think of anything else
No.
that's happened other than that.
Well, Lisa and I are going to go to the swimming baths, but I don't think she'll want to go in rain. She's supposed to be checking up on what times they're doing public swims.
All right.
At Bramley.
Yeah.
So that's a pretty awesome place, isn't it? Oh, old.
It's never changed. It's still got the changing cubicles outside at pool, haven't it? Still got the old tiles.
And the balcony going round.
And the balcony. It's never changed at all.
No.
Still the same since it was when we were kids, isn't it?
It is. I think there's only one pool there though, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not that I ever went to Bramley Baths when I was a kid.
No. No, we only ever went because Alethea went there when she was doing her badges.
I can't remember going to baths because I don't like swimming, it's boring.
Yeah, you don't, do you?
I had to go to Hamley Baths when I was a kid with school.
Yeah, Hamley.
The Hamley Baths, yeah.
Is that the one near Melvin?
No.
Is that Hamley?
That's Holbeck.
Holbeck.
The Hamley Baths, it don't exist now.
No, neither does Holbeck.
It was up near that working men's club where we once... what did they... Not Adenall, not Adenall.
Oh, down at bottom, near that school and... Oh, I know where you mean.
It's hard to describe.
Yeah, because you Auntie Ethel used to take washing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
It used to have a wash house in it as well. And
dryers.
My mum and her sister, Ethel, used to have a pram, an old pram, and they used to bundle all the washing into a sheet, tie it up, and put it in a pram and wheel it to this wash house. Yeah. They used to use something called Dolly Blue.
Yeah.
What was that?
To get your whites white.
To get your white... Dolly Blue to get your whites white.
Yeah.
I suppose there's logic in there somewhere.
Yeah. Your neck curtains and things like that.
I think I went into it once. It was a weird, strange looking place. All pipes and...
Yeah.
I can't remember any washing machines.
No. No, I can't.
I remember... How did they dry them?
They had little drying cupboards, didn't they?
Yeah, in a cupboard, in cupboards.
Like from where heat came from. Or heat that they want.
Yeah, because they didn't have washing... They won't have had... No, washing machines. They weren't invented then.
No.
No. How did they wash them?
I've no idea. Did they do them in dolly tub?
Can't imagine them.
No.
Traipsing all that way to do what they could have done at home. Must have been some...
bit modern technology.
Something going on, yeah.
Yeah. Because my Auntie Ethel had a round metal tub thing. And she had one of these...
Were it in kitchen?
Yeah, it were in kitchen. behind kitchen door.
Which were a little narrow room.
Yeah. And then above it, it had like these rollers.
Yeah, that you wind and handle.
So it sprung out water out.
To squeeze all water
and there
out.
were a table behind that. And the posser, it had a big wooden handle like a broom. And then it were copper.
Mm.
And it had
Holes
little
in
holes in it. And she used to poss up and down with it.
Mm.
Blooming hard work, really, when you think about it. Possing up and down and then lifting clothes out and putting it through this wringer to wring all water out.
Yeah. Yeah. All day job.
I don't know whether she changed the water for clear water and then rinsed them and did same again with wringer.
I mean, it all had to be boiled on in a pan on oven.
Yeah, water.
With water.
Yeah.
Well, no hot running water, was there?
No, she just had a cold tap over the
Cold
sink.
tap.
Over
Yeah.
pot sink. And then
Can you imagine
washing
that?
line
Awful.
outside, it had these pulleys that you pulled it up so it were up in air. So cars, well, there weren't many cars then.
Of course, your
People
Auntie
always
Ethel lived with your Auntie Connie when she got really old, didn't she?
Yeah.
And your Auntie Connie's house had all mud guns, didn't it?
Yeah, I suppose she would have done then.
Yeah. Or a modern semi, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a big house, that.
Mm.
Yeah. It had 3 rooms downstairs.
Mm.
A living dining room and a big long kitchen at back. And then in front, well, I suppose you'd call it your front room, but it wasn't. They had turned it into a bedroom, downstairs bedroom.
Oh. We spent our honeymoon in Pat's Auntie Ethel's little scullery
back to back.
Little scullery house that she's been telling you about with Bossa.
Yeah.
Kitchen, a little kitchen in a narrow room and then another room.
Yeah.
And that was it.
That was it.
And
stone slabs on floor with rag rugs.
aye. And there were just 2 bedrooms upstairs, weren't there?
Yeah.
No bathroom.
No bathroom.
And no toilet.
No
That
toilet.
were down
You had to
straight.
go outside to toilet and bins.
Down yard. Yeah.
Walk down past another house and then there were bin yard and toilet.
Mm.
2 toilets in there.
Yeah.
And we shared our toilet with someone else.
Mm. Sharing your toilet.
Yeah.
With
another family.
Another family in another house.
Yeah.
Times have changed, haven't they? And people brought loads of kids up in these houses, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
Gold.
They did. Yeah. We used to play in, because there was a space round back at where bins and toilets were, and we used to have it as a house, you know. Put winter edge out there, close us, and put old sheets over them to make tents. Take us jam and bread sandwiches. All the diluted pop.
Yeah, picnicking in big yard.
In big Oh dear.
We used to use it to hide as wood when we went jumping for bonfire night.
Yeah, jumping.
We used to hide it all and guard it
Yeah.
in them yards.
Trouble is, one yard had back onto another yard, and people used to climb over walls.
They did, nicking wood.
Oh dear. It was funny. Yeah.
Reminiscing.
Yeah. Uncle Joe had one of them straps that you put up, and he used to have a razor, and you'd see him going like this, sharpening his razor.
Yeah, yeah. That was a cutthroat.
It was my great Uncle Joe, really, because Aunt Ethel was my grandma's sister.
Right.
So she wasn't actually my aunt, she was
Yeah.
my mum's auntie.
Mm. Yeah.
She was my great auntie.
Yeah.
I used to live with them at one point.
For how long?
Oh, I don't know. How do you know when you're a kid? That were where I had my three-wheeler bike, the only bike I ever learned to ride.
Oh, you can't ride a two-wheeler, can you?
No. I tried on one of, I don't know, Douglas or Donald Kelly's bike, two-wheeler one, and came off. There were a wall at the bottom of the street, and it had these little pillars made of brick on one side. And I went straight into the edge of it and cut all my head up.
Oh.
I had to go to hospital.
Oh,
So I never got on another two-wheeler
another.
bike after that.
Oh.
Yeah, some days. And now it's a motorway.
That area there, where all them streets that Pat's on about, yeah.
It leads on to
Just
the motorway, doesn't it?
Just a spaghetti junction of roads, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Carry it to us.
Yeah. Yeah. Domestic street's still there, but it's not the same.
No.
It used to have all little shops running up and down it.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll be quiet. I don't want to be hearing about all my childhood reminiscences.
You'll be surprised that there's people who watch us and remind us of their grandma and granddads.
Oh dear.
That's how old we are, Pat.
Oh wow.
We remind people of their grandma and granddad.
Right.
Yeah, Gary, who bought us that parcel. Have you read my book, if you're watching this? Because if you haven't read it, if you don't have one, I'll send you one. You sent us that parcel, I'll send you one. So
you.
I'll need your address if you're watching this. All right.
Yeah. It's a good idea, love.
Yeah, I don't know why I didn't think of it before.
Takes a long time nowadays.
The cogs go extremely slow.
For things to click, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well, on this wet and windy day we shall say farewell.
Farewell. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.